Hi guys, so we're gonna be opening squishy dumplings. I had to open the other one. I didn't get what I wanted, but that's okay. So I opened this one because I got two of these. So I opened the sunset and this one, holographic purple. So we're gonna open this one. And wait, which one's more heavier?
Sure.
It has tape on it. People say when it has tape on it, sometimes it's the rare sunset.
Right.
Okay. Open it from the top because I never opened one I should know. Bro, this one's packaged really good. Okay, we got some scissors because the cereal was not opening. I want purple, because the purple's really pretty. Or the pink. Okay, I feel like it's blue. Ooh, it's orange.
It's summer, okay?
Wait, is this a sunset?
I don't know.
This doesn't, that might be, no, because the sunset is like.
Probably multicolored.
But doesn't it change colors? I'm not sniffing that, sorry. Okay, so she didn't get the sunset, but it's okay. She got the rip-off sunset.
Mm-hmm. Now for this one.
This is the one that has the glitter.
Yeah. And I think this one might actually be it because it is actually still heavy.
Wait, is this the one that has
The purple holographic.
Oh, I thought it was the one that has the baby dumps. Baby dumps? What?
Oh, I want purple so bad.
Okay, look away. Okay, ready?
Oh my gosh! This is the real one too!
What?
It's the real one! Oh my god!
It's the rare one?
Yes! And it's purple!
Look, the one.
I'm scared to play with it. What if it pops? Oh my god!
It's super rare. Purple holographic dumpling.
Y'all.
Stop, I had a feeling too. That's why I looked away.
See, that's what I said. I think. And it's heavy.
Whoa, it is heavy.
This had. Okay, so here's the ones that we got. I mean, it is purple.